Hi guys, so welcome back guys, welcome back to ProForex 101. So guys, today is the 5th of June 2019. I want to do the post-trade analysis for the pound dollar pair that we were following. Okay, so again guys, this trade was a success. Okay, so let's go through and see how we could have got in and the trade process. Okay guys, so so we were wanting to buy this pair, okay, in the 1.26500 area. Okay, possible entry. Let me mark this down. Six 500 area. Okay, and then our target we were thinking is gonna be 1.27300. Okay, $300. Okay, all right. So so yeah guys, as we said before, this area that we are trying to get in is something that we need to adjust depending on how the retrace goes in. Okay, so it looks like we came all the way back here, okay, to the support resistance area, and we caught that and then went along. Okay, so when we did the analysis before, we were in this area. Okay, no, sorry, in this area. Sorry, one second guys, let me get deep here now. So we were in this area. We were, I think, going through these green candles when we did the analysis earlier. So it crashed here and then went back long again. Okay, so you see the market movement, right? And then big retrace and long. Okay, so wait, let me clear this out. So I know what you're thinking, that this would have been the entry here, okay, where market came back to the MA, and then this is not a proper exhaustion, because if it's a proper exhaustion it should be green, right? And the next candle skyrocketed up, but the fundamentals came out for pound at the same time, saying that pound is weak. Okay, so I'm going to go to Monday. Where are you? Here, PMI. We were following this. It said that pound economy is looking weak. So at that moment when this entry came in, this is actually also a good entry, right? Because we bounced off our MA, and the next candle we had a very nice bullish candle, right? A full green candle that engulfed all these candles. But at the same time, we got this pound news saying that we cannot buy. Okay, saying that pound is weak. And then we waited for later on for the main news to come out, which was the manufacturing PMI for US. Okay, so later on it had a deeper retrace, and when the next signal came along, which is right here, okay, which is this here is not a good signal, right guys? It's a doji. Okay, we crossed above the MA, but it's a doji. The next signal, that a bullish candle, which is an engulfing pattern, close above the 21 MA. This is a very nice signal, coupled with the news saying US dollar is weak. So that means, okay, great, it'll help my trade, right? Because I'm buying pound and selling dollar, okay, and going low. So yeah guys, this area would have been your entry area, okay, and you see a nice buy signal there, and now we're heading low, okay, to our target areas. Since this trade yielded at least now 70 pips, it's a profit taking time, guys. Okay, so and we are reaching our area, so even this profit taking area, guys, it's not set in stone. Okay, so yeah, I'd suggest that we take profit now because we may retrace further south before we head long again. Okay. So yeah, guys, hopefully you understand how we follow the news in helping to gain an entry. So even if we do have a signal to buy and the news is saying otherwise, we don't get into the trade. Okay. So basically this pound news that came out really helped with this deep retracement. You see this deep retracement that came in, right? So that news just helped with the retracement, and the US news came in and helped with the move. You see how the news items they take turns. Okay. So anyway, guys, so yeah, when the pound signal came, you know, the buy signal on the technicals came in, pound news was saying don't buy. Okay, which is saying it's a weak sentiment, which after which the pound actually we devalued. Okay, so market does follow fundamentals, so you have when you use fundamentals, it's really helpful in guiding you through the trade, guys. Okay. And then when the US PMI came in, the buy signal for pound dollar came in, and also US dollar saying, hey, the economy is weak, and look at the volatility level on this indicator, very high, so which is going with our trade. So okay, great, we're buying. Okay, guys. Yeah, guys, so there's a lot of things to get your head around how to follow the markets with you know, in conjunction with the news, but anyway, we are hoping that, you know, with these analysis will help you guys out. Okay, so yeah, guys, so we are in the profit taking area now. It's better to take some profit and run and get back in later if it goes for a deeper retrace. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, guys, you can read through the post and follow it properly. And yeah, so this is the scenario where we are at now. Okay, so in the bigger picture, let me clear everything out. Okay, pound should be heading further north. Okay, especially to these support resistance areas, right? Yeah, most likely this area it should keep heading north, and the reason why I said we should take profit now is it may do a deeper retrace. Okay, because market, as you can see, guys, markets when they start moving, they don't continue to move forever. Okay, they have to do a retrace. Okay, so now we moved up here. Now we may do a deep retrace and then head long again. See how we moved here, we did a deep retrace, head south. Okay, so always when the market moves, the retracement comes in. So for instance, if you were in this trade and you're thinking, okay, we're going long, and then it breaks that trend line, just a deep retrace and then heads long. Okay, so similarly, that's why I said, like, this is a good profit taking area because we are in the supply zone. We haven't still touched it, that means we still have little potential. Why wait for these few pips? You know, you already made 70 pips. So yeah, that should be your mentality, guys. Okay, get in, get out, you're done, look for another trade. So okay, guys, hopefully this was helpful. Okay, on following the trade and how we on our thought process, what your thought process should be. And also this is a very good example of where you have to marry the fundamentals with your technical signals to get a good entry. Okay, alright, guys, thanks for listening in, guys. Hope you like the video. If you do, please do hit the thumbs up button and share the video, guys, and I'll see you in the forums and in the next trade analysis, guys. Bye for now.